Hi there guys, my name is Callum Thursby and I am from the wonderful county of Lincolnshire based in the United Kingdom. I've been playing drums for just under 20 years now, and during those 20 years it has been a journey and a half. We go all the way back to primary school with a few little school bands playing your classic pop covers. Secondary school, again a new little band made up from the guys in the music department, again covers. But during this time I was lucky enough to join the school's swing band. So we're talking a full brass band, blues, swing music, jazz, absolutely fantastic time, and played some lovely local venues with them. Moving out to secondary school, I get to where I am now. So a few little bands here and there for your rock and pop and covers, but nothing to really shout about until now. Ska and punk band News for Parrots. I know ska and punk shouldn't work, but it does. We play everything from your Madness to your Mighty Mighty Boss Tones, right back to the Sex Pistols. It's an array of music, but some incredible tunes. And during that time of gigging over the past year and a bit, we have been secretly recording a 5-song EP. We've released 3 of those songs as singles, one of them you're going to hear. And hopefully that 5-song EP will be out later this year into the next year. So let's get on to the main event. Why am I here? Why am I sat here talking to you? Well, it has to be the incredible drumsticks from Collision. So when I heard about these guys, I thought, well, they're not a big brand, they're not a big name, but let's try them out and just see if they're any good. So I picked up the classic 5A sticks. This is my new normal sizing, so I thought, let's start there. But while I was there, I noticed their 5AR sticks, a little bit longer in the length, and it really adds, actually. I was surprised about how much, this works. The 5ARs having that little extra reach on the end gives you a bit more dynamicness on the kit, and the 5As are just so suited to any drummer. Any style, whether it's in the studio, whether it's live, they are just incredible to play with. They are light, they are weight balanced perfectly, they are strong, they are durable. I can be quite a hard drummer sometimes, and the sticks need to be durable, and these have no sign of wear and tear anytime soon. I'm not going to be sat there thinking, it's going to snap in a minute, because it won't. They're a nice local small company who produce some great quality products, and I really urge you to go and check them out if you're a fellow drummer. So without further ado, I suppose I best show them in action. So what you're about to see is taken from a gig we did at the Lincoln Engine Shed. Go check out the venue, it's an incredible place. The bands, the comedians, the artists that have all been there, it's quite a list. So the fact that we got to play there was something else altogether. So what you're about to see is single number 3 that we released on all good platforms. And this one is called Closing Time. Enjoy.